Are you dreaming of becoming a millionaire? Are you looking for ways to build your investment portfolio and make money online? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we will show you how to turn your dreams into reality by sharing tips on building a $1 million investment portfolio. With our expert advice on investing wisely and making smart financial decisions, you can take the first step towards achieving financial freedom and living the life of your dreams. So let's dive in and discover how to become a millionaire. Building an investment portfolio. Building an investment portfolio can seem overwhelming at first, but it's one of the best ways to grow your wealth over time. The key is to start small and stay consistent with your investments. One important factor to consider when building a portfolio is diversification. It's essential not to put all your eggs in one basket and invest in different types of assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or alternative investments. Another critical aspect of building an investment portfolio is setting realistic goals based on your risk tolerance and financial situation. Don't expect overnight success. Investing takes time and patience. Always do thorough research before investing in any asset class or company. It's also crucial to regularly review your investment performance and make necessary adjustments along the way. Consider working with a financial advisor who can guide you through the process of building a diversified investment portfolio that suits your long-term financial objectives. Remember, building an investment portfolio requires discipline, careful planning, smart decision-making skills, and consistency over time. Start today by taking small steps towards growing your wealth gradually. How to become a millionaire? Becoming a millionaire is a dream that many people have, but few ever achieve. The truth is, there's no magic formula or secret trick to making millions of dollars. It takes hard work, dedication, and smart financial planning. 1. Develop a plan. The first step to becoming a millionaire is to develop a plan. Think about how much money you want to make, how long it will take you to reach that goal, and which investments or strategies you will use to get there. 2. Create multiple streams of income. One of the best ways to become a millionaire is by having multiple sources of income. Try investing in stocks, real estate, business ventures, or other income-generating activities. 3. Live below your means. Living below your means is essential for accumulating wealth over time. Spend less than you earn and save as much money as possible. Invest the difference so that your money can compound over time and grow into millions of dollars eventually. 4. Take calculated risks. Taking calculated risks is key when it comes to making smart investments and growing your wealth. Educate yourself on various investing strategies and be willing to take some risks if they are likely to improve your financial situation in the long run. 5. Stay disciplined. Becoming a millionaire takes hard work, dedication, and discipline over a long period of time. Set short-term goals and stay focused on them until they are achieved before moving on to the next step. One way to become a millionaire is by starting your own business. Entrepreneurship allows you to take control of your financial future and create unlimited earning potential. However, building a successful business requires careful planning and execution. Another way to become a millionaire is through investing. Investing in stocks, real estate, or other assets can provide significant returns over time if done correctly. However, it's important to educate yourself on the risks involved and make informed decisions based on sound investment principles. Additionally, living below your means and saving aggressively can help you accumulate wealth over time. By avoiding frivolous spending and focusing on long-term financial goals, you can build a solid foundation for achieving millionaire status. Ultimately, becoming a millionaire requires discipline and patience. There are no shortcuts or quick fixes, just consistent effort over time towards achieving your financial goals. How to make money online. In today's digital age, making money online has become more accessible than ever before. With the right mindset and approach, anyone can turn their online presence into a profitable venture. One of the most popular ways to make money online is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services on your website or social media platforms and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Another option is to start a blog or website and monetize it through advertising, sponsored content, and product sales. This method can take some time to generate a steady income, but it can be very lucrative once you build a strong audience. Additionally, you can make money online by creating digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or webinars. Selling these products is an effective way to make money in the digital age. Finally, many people are turning to freelancing as a way to make money online. You can offer your services on freelance websites and get paid for completing tasks such as writing articles, designing websites, creating logos, or doing data entry. With the right knowledge and strategy, anyone can make money online. All it takes is a little bit of hard work and determination to find success. An e-commerce store. You can either sell physical products that you source from suppliers or create digital products like ebooks, courses, or software. Blogging and content creation is another way to monetize your online presence. By creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience, you can attract sponsorships, partnerships, and advertising revenue. Working as a freelancer in fields such as writing, graphic design, or programming allows you to offer your skills on various freelance job platforms available online. There are many different ways to make money online, but it requires hard work and dedication just like any other business endeavor.